channel. Today I'm doing a festival inspired makeup look. So if you would like to see how I transformed myself into this glittery pink thing, then stay tuned. So, start off with a bare face. I know it's still got glitter on from a few minutes ago from my previous look, but we are just gonna roll. I'm gonna start off by moisturising my face. I like to use the Nivea I Am the Chilled Oasis one. Mix Me. These are the Mix Me, what are they called? Moisturisers. And I like to just put that all over my face because my skin gets so dry. I have got a bit of sunburn on my nose because at the moment the weather in England is so nice. I don't know what's going on, but you know, here I am indoors. Next, I prime my face with the Barry M Unicorn Primer Elixir Drop things. These are like a dupe for the Sally drops, which are like £50 and these are £8, so winning. Festivals are all about glitter. But first of all, I'm going to start off by doing my brows. I like to do my brows with the, this is looking a bit worse for wear, I need a new one. The Revolution Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. First I just like to give my eyebrows a little bit of a brush, just a clean spoolie. So I just fill my eyebrows in with this. I like to give them a bit more of a better shape. I like to make them a bit more bold. So I just go around the whole brow really. One eyebrow complete. My favourite concealer at the moment is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I'm using the shade Light Sand. This is so good. It's really full coverage. I don't know how you can take me seriously with one eyebrow on my face right now. You probably can't, so I'm just going to shut up and sort this out. Now, I like to use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas base in the shade Halo, which is just whiter than white, just to highlight my brow bone. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow off camera because I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So I'll be back in a second, babe. Okay, I'm back. Brows are done. Bold, big, and beaut. Only kidding, but festival ready brows. So I like to just use concealer as a eye base at the moment because I have run out of my P. Louise base and I'm too poor to order another one at the moment. So I'm going pink. I'm going pink. I'm doing it. I'm going pink. Big pink bulb. Gotta just use that to just, yes. And I'm gonna go straight in there with this bad boy on the outer corner. I'm using the shade Funky here from the Stacey Marie Carnival palette with X Bperfect Cosmetics. I absolutely adore this palette. I just ordered it one day. I wasn't even thinking, I was just on Beauty Bay and I just ordered it. I'd not even really heard that much about it. Like, I'd heard people speak about it and I just looked and I saw the colours and I was just like, do you know what? I'm just gonna get that because that's a bit of me. And I haven't put it down since. Mint. Mint. I'm going in with mint. Oh my god. Like, look at that. Just take a second. Look at that pigment. Camera, come on. Shook. Every time I use this, I'm like, how did I live without you? I I didn't realise mint in this palette was actually so pigmented. I've not used it like that much. I've used the palette a lot, as you'll see if you actually like, look at my pans. I've used the palette a lot, but obviously I've used this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade the most. But I love this palette. Supposedly she's bringing out a palette with Mitchell, which I cannot wait for. Like, that is gonna be insane. Right, you cannot see how pigmented this is on camera. Just put the whole mirror in front of it. You cannot see how pigmented this is on camera, and that is really upsetting because it's just beaut. I don't know whether to do like a glitter cut crease, but then it'll just ruin the mint. But you know what? This video is all about taking risks. It's not, it's all about festival makeup, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I'm just using a bit more of the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Base in Halo and this little Real Technique detailed brush to cut that crease. I want to keep the colours that I've just created there. So I just like to use the NYX Glitter Primer, and I just put a bit on my hand, like so. I'm thinking of going with mint and pink, because that's what I've got on my eye. So pretty. Oh yes. Like, hello, she here. So I'm just going to use a bit of Duo Lash Glue and my little trusty brush that I use for all my details and stuff like that. I'm just going to dip into that bit of glue, put a little bit on the back of my hand just so I've got some there. I'm going to choose where I'm going to put my little crystals. I'm gonna place them on my eye. Like, yes. It's looking quite pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other eye, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, so I'm back. The eye makeup. The next step is lashes. So my favourite lashes are actually the Old Beauty Frankie lashes, but I left them in a hotel room in Manchester. So I'm gonna have to use something else. The other lashes that I am loving at the moment, I'm just gonna reuse the pair that I have been using, is the Fern McCann lashes. Using my Duo Quick Set Lash Glue. This is my favourite lash glue. This would be so perfect to take to a festival with you because it's just little. It's got a little wand, so you can just pop it on your lash like that, and then it can just go in your bag and it'd just be brilliant actually. What are everyone's favourite festivals to go to? As I said, I've never been to a festival. But I would quite like to go to one, I think. On some mascara before I put my lashes on. I'm using Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, which is my favourite mascara at the moment. There is one eye. Sometimes it can be a struggle getting eyelashes to stick on glitter. So hopefully they stay stuck. I'm now going to move on to my face. I've already primed my face. Still feeling lovely and sticky and fabulous. But I like to just spray a bit of the Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray on my face first before I put my foundation on, just to make sure it's got that perfect finish. Is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is in the shade Bone, but I actually usually use the shade Ecru. This is way too light for me. I'm going to put it on using my beauty blender, which I also spray with that fixing spray. And then I will just go ahead and blend this into my face. Foundation is on. Now I'm going to go in and contour my face because I'm looking very pale. I like to use the X Bperfect contour kit in light medium. These are cream contours and this is my fave to use. I just like to tap because if you're swiping you're going to move the foundation around. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16 Hour Concealer and highlight underneath the eyes. I need a new one of these, it's running out. A little goes a very long way with this stuff, so just be careful. I like to bring it up instead of like down because it opens up your eyes more and makes you look more awake. Getting rid of them bags. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Revolution Pro Translucent Powder. So now I like to go in and bronze and blush. I am going to be using the Benefit Cheek Leaders Mini Bronze Squad Palette. This smells amazing. I don't know what it is, but it smells amazing. So first I'm going to go in with the Hoola out the palette and just go over where I've done that contour. And then I'm going to go in with the Gold Rush blush. And last but not least, the Cookie highlight, which is my fave. So I like to spray that Revolution Pro Fix again. Little spritz over the fan brush. Dip the fan brush in and watch me glow. Damn. So now I'm going to go back and sort out the underneath of my eyes. I always bring eyeshadow down underneath my eyes, so I'm just going to continue and do that today. Just the colours that I've put on the top, which are Mint and Funky, I'm just going to go in with them and put them on my lower lash line. Bad Girl Bang mascara again. I don't know what colour to go with. I was thinking of bright pink. Maybe. Let's go with it. So that is the colour Pink Lust Passion Rose NYX Liquid Suede. I love the NYX Liquid Suedes. They are my favourite liquid lipstick. This is the face about done. I just feel like there's not enough glitter for festival. So we're going to move on to the hair. I'm not feeling it. I'm going to space bun it like so. Cute. Leave the rest of my hair down. I'm then going to go in with, this stuff is just so good. It is Model's Own Glitter Mix Gel. I took this to Zante with me and wore it every single night, the pink one. It's just so beautiful and so good. It comes off so easy and it's like £2. I don't know where this stuff's meant for, but I just literally put it everywhere. So, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy. I hope you all have an amazing time wherever you're going, if you're going to a festival or if you're not. This makeup could be used for summer, concerts, holidays, whatever. I hope you all have had a lovely Easter, and until next time, bye everyone.